the TMC protest happening in Delhi. Showdown over IPAC raids in Kolkata. 8 TMC MPs staging protest outside Union Home Minister Amit Shah's office in Delhi. And we can see that 8 TMC MPs are staging protest against Union Home Minister Amit Shah after the ED raids at IPAC office in Kolkata. And as we can see that the 8 TMC MPs are sitting outside Union Home Minister Amit Shah's office in Delhi, and we can see that there's a struggle going on between Delhi police officials and the TMC MPs, and they are constantly protesting against Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Now this comes after the AD raided the IPAC office in Kolkata and also the residence of IPAC co-founder Pratik Jain. And as we know that the 8 TMC MPs are protesting outside Amit Shah's office in Delhi, and as we can see, and we can see the high drama in National Capital, and let's listen in to what is happening.
Mr. Manoj Kumar Singh, I know it is not your fault. You are acting on behalf of your Home Minister and everybody. Don't touch my MP. Don't touch him. His leg is hurt already.
सर प्लीज आप गाड़ी में चलिए।
ये अस्पताल लेके जाइए आगे, आप आगे।
मैं उठोगे तब तो।
नहीं आप नहीं 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 नहीं। खोलो।
ठीक है सर, हटवा रहा हूँ।
पूरा ये लगा दिया।
नहीं सर, ये सर
हम लोग कोऑपरेट।
And we are joined by Anshul Singh on this broadcast. Anshul, tell our viewers what is happening in Delhi.
Well, this protest is happening right outside the Kartavya Bhavan, where the Home Ministry is situated, and as you can see in these visuals, that MPs from the Trinamool Congress, at least 8 of them, have sat on a dharna over there. Remember, this is a very, very high security area, and protesting in this area is absolutely not permitted according to the statement of the Supreme Court as well. There can be no protest that could happen in this region. If at all a protest needs to happen, it needs to happen at Jantar Mantar. Remember, this is right next to the India Gate and the Parliament of India as well. But yes, senior MPs of the Trinamool Congress have reached on the ground, and they have sat on the dharna right at the gate. Remember, this is office hours as well, and the employees, the officers of the Home Ministry and many other ministries are situated inside this Kartavya Bhavan need to get into their office, and that is becoming a massive issue for them. In these visuals, MPs like Derek O'Brien and other senior MPs of the Trinamool Congress can be seen over here, and then as well, Delhi police personnel have also reached over there. They are trying to convince these MPs to vacate this entire area, as it is absolutely not permitted. And right now, these MPs are now being detained one by one by the Delhi police and are being taken away from the gates of the Kartavya Bhavan. So high drama this morning breaking out right outside Kartavya Bhavan, where the Home Ministry and many other important ministries are situated. Remember the manner in which there were raids that happened in Kolkata yesterday. That has become a massive point of controversy, both from the side of the Enforcement Directorate and from the side of the Trinamool government as well. Over here in the National Capital, protests have started outside the Kartavya Bhavan, and also in Kolkata, Mamata Banerjee herself is going to lead a march as well. So definitely the TMC is trying to make all the noises that it can that could actually propagate their message that how the raids that happened against the boss of IPAC is actually a raid against the Trinamool Congress. But Enforcement Directorate had made this clear yesterday itself that there is no way, there are no raids against any political party or on the offices of any political party. You can see in these visuals again that more and more MPs are being detained one by one by the personals of the Delhi police, who have been ordered to vacate that entire area and make sure that the security arrangements in this very high security area remains under control. So one by one, these MPs are being picked up and are being taken away by the Delhi police in their bus. Remember, these are just being detained at this point in time and taken away from this location, probably a few kilometers away from here, and then they would be allowed to go. So yes, one by one, all the MPs, the 7 to 8 MPs who had gathered over here, are being removed by.
पुलिस लेके जा रही है। मोदी क्या कहेंगे प्रदर्शन?
आप करेंगे कि आप देख लें कि देश के लोग देख लें कि निर्वाचित सदस्य एमपी पुलिस, दिल्ली पुलिस
Anshul, if you could tell our viewers, is the TMC planning any other protest in the national capital?
Of various more protests.
You see what is happening with Amit Shah's Delhi police.
Not only
You
over
see what
here
is happening
at the office
What
of
happens
the Home Ministry.
Governor, don't जब ये मत करो ये देखो क्या हो रहा है अमित शाह शर्म करो
And let me go across to Anshul. Anshul, is the TMC planning any other protest in the national capital?
Well, yes, the Trinamool Congress is trying to amp up the pressure on the government and to make all the noises that it can. And it is expected that in the next few hours there could be a protest that could happen at the residence of Amit Shah as well. But yes, that is also a very, very high security area. There are police personnel and security forces that are present over there 24/7. So if at all any attempt is made yet again to protest or to carry out any sort of a dhanda outside the residence of the Home Minister, then yet again we could see the same visuals unfolding over there as well. But even at this point in time, as the dhanda is underway, the MPs have been removed from this location. Derek O'Brien, who was leading this entire march, has also now been removed from the location and is being taken away by the forces of Delhi police.
Right. Anshul, if you could tell our viewers that can the TMC clarify what connection, if any, exists between the party and IPAC? Because the raids were conducted yesterday were at the IPAC office in Kolkata and not the TMC office.
Well, yes, Mamata Banerjee yesterday had claimed that Prateek Jain is her IT cell chief, which was not announced previously by Mamata Banerjee as well. But the direct connection between the TMC and IPAC is that IPAC is the political consultancy that has been hired by Mamata Banerjee. Remember, in the last elections as well, it was the IPAC that worked really hard to make sure that the Mamata Banerjee or the TMC party actually gets the mandate that it got last time around as well. And then also in the Goa elections where the TMC went ahead and fought for the first time, IPAC was the company that was handling the entire political advertisement for that party as well. And that also got very good results for Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress. So the only direct connection between both of them is that it is a political consultancy. And remember, this consultancy has also worked with other parties like the party of Arvind Kejriwal over here in the national capital, the Aam Aadmi Party. In the last Bihar elections, it was working with the JDU as well. And in the 2014 elections, it worked with the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. So yes, there are. It is a political consultancy, but remember, these raids that happened did not happen against the company. It happened against Prateek Jain, who is the head of this company. And the exact reason, as has been stated by the Enforcement Directorate, is that in the investigation that they have done in this entire alleged coal smuggling scam that happened in West Bengal, there are links that have been allegedly established between Prateek Jain, who is the head of the Trinamool Congress, and then with a few Hawala dealers who were transferring the money who were transferring the proceeds of crime that was earned through illegal coal smuggling and supplying of coal to different parts of the state as well. So that link is something that has come up in the investigation. And to verify these links and to actually go ahead and find more evidences, the Enforcement Directorate carried out these searches at the residence of Prateek Jain and also at his office. So remember, these raids were not against the Trinamool Congress, these raids were not against IPAC, but these raids were on Prateek Jain, who is
right.
And as Mamata Banerjee claimed yesterday, that Prateek Jain is also the IT cell chief of Trinamool Congress.
Right.
Mamata Banerjee barging into the residence of Pratik Jain and then snatching away is what the enforcement directorate claims, that she went ahead and snatched away files, files and electronic documents from the officers of the enforcement directorate as they were carrying out the search operation.
Right. We'll come back to this, Anshul. Many thanks, Anshul, for gathering all that. Now we are slipping into a very short break. News and updates continue on the other side. Stay with us.